week, baby, when we all get our mojo back on. This week is electric. It's on fire. It's a firecracker. And you are ready to feel your passion rising, your strength, your courage, your fearlessness. Where will it take you this week? Where do you want it to take you? With Mercury going into Aries, we speak our truth. We say it. It just comes out. We're passionate about our voice. On top of that, and I'm super excited about this, we have Mars, the planet of action, finally leaving Cancer and going into Leo. So we are courageous and we are fearless and we are strong in what we think and what we feel. All your passions will be waking up and you're ready to go for it. And then when Mercury meets Neptune, the planet of dreams and magic, you will get this sense that you have to go after your dreams. There is no stopping you now, and you will find a way, whatever way that is. You will sense it, and strange synchronicities will occur, and strange conversations that lead you to your path. Very exciting. Then later on in the week, we have Taurus season, so make the most of all of that fire at the beginning of the week, and then we settle down and we dig the foundations. Take care, gorgeous. I'll fill you in on each one in the week. So much love.